In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create new separate bones, how to connect the new bones, how to mirror the bones, and how to name the bones. After that, we'll create this running animation. We'll be using the base mesh character we have created in the previous tutorial. I'll post the base mesh character creation tutorial link in the description below. This is where we left off. Let's select this mesh's armature, go to pose mode, select all bones and press Alt-R to reset all rotations. Let's do the same thing for this mesh, rotate it and hide it with H for now. Do you see how the arms and legs are directly attached to the spine? This is not a good practice. We need a space between them. This bone works without any issues, but it's working because this base mesh is simple. When we get complicated meshes to animate in the future, we might run into unexpected animation issues if the arm and leg bones are directly attached to the spine. The extruded bones can't be detached from the parent bone. The only way to make this work is to separate in the edit mode. The separation won't work in the pose mode, by the way. If you do get the bones separated, the child bones have to get manually separated as well. We can do this here easily, but when we're modifying complex bones, that might be too difficult. What we need to do is selecting and deleting the entire segment of bones that need to be changed and creating a new set of bones afterward. In this example, we can start from scratch, because our rig is simple and easy to recreate. This is how to show the names of the bones. Let's rename this bone. I'll go S1, 2, 3, 4 for spine bones. For the arms, I'll go L_arm1 for the first arm bone on the left side and so on. We'll only create and rename the left side for now, and we'll mirror them later. Let's extrude the spine bone and rename it properly like this. This is going to be our neck bone and the last one is going to be the head bone. The head bone, yes, not the skull, because head bone sounds better for the armature. Let's create a new armature and place in the upper left arm like this. Let's extrude. Let's create the left leg bones. After joining the bones with Ctrl+J, we can go to the Edit mode and Shift-select these two bones to connect them with Ctrl+P. If we choose the Connected option, our arm bone will reattach to the spine. Let's pick the Keep Offset option instead. Let's undo, because we need to mirror the meshes on the left side first. We need to duplicate the leg armature with Shift-D and press Enter. It looks like the shortcut Ctrl+M is not working. Let's just right-click and select the mirror on the global X-axis. Let's move the bone. Let's do the same for the left arm. Let's join all the bones and go to the Edit mode to connect the bones while keeping the offset. Let's select the bones on the right side, right-click, Names, and flip names to flip the names like this. Let's start animating. Do you remember what I key does while animating in Blender? It sets a keyframe to anything we wish to animate. For example, we can make our mesh move like this. But if we wish to animate specified bones, it's best to use the Auto Keyframe feature by pressing this button. Let's connect our armature to the mesh first. Did you notice how this animation is slowing down when it's reaching the end? We can disable that by using a graph editor like this. If we change the interpolation mode to linear, the animation won't slow down. In order to animate the bones, we need to select the armature and go to the pose mode. Let's click this Auto Keyframe button. From now on, if we move, rotate or scale anything in our armature, Blender will automatically set a keyframe. When you make a mistake, either undo or remove the keyframe by pressing Alt-I. Let's rotate this bone. Let's go to frame 10 and rotate it again. There is our new keyframe. Let's continue rotating the arm in every 10 frames. Let's do the same for the left arm and the head mesh. Let's preview the animation. Time to animate the legs. As you might have noticed, I'm not putting the legs to move too fast, because I want you to see how the legs animate. If you want to animate the legs faster, use less amount of frames when placing new keyframes. There is our new keyframe. Let's preview the animation. This is the end of the base mesh creation and pose tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.